Hey, this is Mateo with YouTube Creator AI. I just want to show real quick the script that my tool wrote here, YouTube Creator AI, for my Rich and Fabulous channel. I put in just this quick topic here. I just did a short script, drop down the script style. It gives us the hook, the scene, the narration, and the outro. Skip ahead to watch the full video. Check it out. You can put in any outline, any topic, any keywords, and get a long form or short form script.
Oprah Winfrey, the Queen of Media, has just offloaded a piece of her legendary Promised Land estate in a blockbuster deal that's sending shockwaves through Hollywood. Music mogul Adam Levine and his supermodel wife, Behati Prinsloo, are the new owners of a sprawling 4-acre parcel from Oprah's iconic Montecito compound. And get this, Oprah more than doubled her investment, selling for a jaw-dropping $17.3 million after buying it for $6.85 million just a few years ago. That's the Oprah effect in full force, turning property into pure gold. This isn't just any home, it's a historic 1919 Spanish Revival beauty, and Levine and Prinsloo are already planning extensive renovations. They're joining an elite neighborhood already home to A-listers like Prince Harry, Meghan Markle, Kendall Jenner, and Gwyneth Paltrow. It seems even a slice of the Promised Land comes with a price tag only the biggest stars can afford. This high-stakes celebrity real estate game just got even wilder. What do you think of this colossal sale? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more sensational celebrity scoops.